BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 54 of season 3. Today's word is framework. Framework means the supporting structure for a building or an object or a set of rules or guidelines. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word framework. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Framework is spelled as F-R-A-M-E-W-O-R-K. Rachna wanted to enroll in a foreign university, so she had to follow a certain framework. Listen carefully how we can use the word framework in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The university found a consensus. Isn't this a familiar word? Amongst the students' parents that the syllabus was outdated. Accordingly, the university appointed a committee to chalk out, means to prepare a framework for the syllabus of its courses. Example number 2 of 8. Have you ever visited the ancient forts in India? Well, you would notice that some of the structures are in good condition even after hundreds of years. This is because the underlying framework for these structures is very strong. Example number 3 of 8. We are all aware that globally digital money, means online financial transactions, is gaining popularity. Example number 3 of 8. We are aware that globally digital money, means online financial transactions, is gaining popularity. India is also not far behind in its implementation. In India, RBI has the responsibility of developing a proper framework for the use of digital money. Example number 4 of 8. Have you visited the Statue of Unity in India? Well, it is one of the world's tallest statues with a height of 182 meters. A framework of concrete, iron and steel provides strength to this statue. It has been a major tourist attraction in recent times. Do you know that over 3 lakh professionals, students and homemakers have learned to speak English fluently and confidently at BM English Speaking Institute? Log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com for more information. Example number 5 of 8. Ajay has been suffering from high blood pressure since past few months. His doctor advised him to get various medical tests done from a laboratory. These reports would then provide the framework for the line of treatment. Example number 6 of 8. The framework for online transaction system must be very secure. Don't we all know about the dangers of hackers and cyber criminals? So, it's advisable to follow the guidelines like password protection as advised by the banks. Moving on to the next example. Example number 7 of 8. In any country, there are people who live in extremely poor conditions. Naturally, there is a feeling of empathy towards them. But this is not enough. There must be a proper framework to provide assistance to these people. Example number 8 of 8. Statistical figures suggest that there is a tremendous rise in obesity amongst the youth. Presently, a team of assistants is doing a research to form the framework for the plan of corrective action. Today we learnt the word framework, which means supporting structure for a building or an object or a set of rules or guidelines? Can you frame 3 sentences with framework and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure that this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 54 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.